Want to watch movies and shows on demand with your Spectrum Xumo Box? It's simple. First, power on your Xumo Box and ensure it's connected to the internet. From the home screen, you have a few options. Use the directional pad on your remote to navigate to the menu option. This is your main hub. Alternatively, you can use voice search if your Xumo Box has Alexa integration. Just press the voice command button on your remote and say something like "On Demand." You can also find on-demand content through the Guide button, which typically shows live TV listings but also has submenus for accessing on-demand. No need to download any separate apps. On-demand is built right in. This integration, part of Spectrum's enhancements in early 2025, makes accessing a vast library of content straightforward. Once you're in the on-demand section, you'll see content organized into categories like action, comedy, recently added, and personalized for you recommendations powered by AI. Use the directional pad to browse these categories. To find something specific, use the search bar. You can type in keywords, voice search, or even search by genre. The search function uses natural language processing, so you can say things like funny movies to get relevant results. Once you find something you want to watch, select it to see options for free viewing, with ads, renting, or purchasing. Rentals typically start around $2.99. Enjoy seamless streaming thanks to Spectrum's adaptive bitrate technology, which adjusts to your internet speed for smooth playback.